For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Number 5.
The Ninja AF101 Air Fryer is an innovative kitchen appliance that has taken the market by storm. It is a versatile machine that crisps, roasts, reheats, and dehydrates food, making it an essential tool for anyone who loves quick, easy meals. The 4-quart capacity makes it perfect for cooking for one or for a family, while the high gloss finish in black gray adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. One of the standout features of air fryer is its ability to cook food with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. This makes it an excellent choice for health-conscious individuals who want to enjoy their favorite fried foods without guilt. The air fryer uses hot air technology to circulate hot air around the food, creating a crispy outer layer, while keeping the inside tender and juicy. Incredibly easy to use. With a simple control panel and digital display, you can set the temperature and cooking time for your food with ease. The air fryer also comes with a recipe book that includes a variety of delicious and healthy recipes that you can try out. Another great feature of air fryer is its versatility. In addition to air frying, it can also roast, reheat, and dehydrate food. This makes it a great tool for cooking a wide range of dishes, from crispy fried chicken to roasted vegetables, to dehydrated fruit for a healthy snack. The 4-quart capacity in this air fryer is perfect for cooking for one or for a family. It is large enough to cook a whole chicken or a batch of fries, yet compact enough to fit on your countertop without taking up too much space. The basket is also non-stick and dishwasher safe, making it easy to clean up after use. Finally, the high gloss finish in black gray adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. The sleek design and modern look make it a stylish addition to your countertop, while the compact size means it won't take up too much space. In conclusion, the Ninja AF101 Air Fryer is an excellent kitchen appliance that is versatile, easy to use, and perfect for quick, easy meals. Its ability to crisp, roast, reheat, and dehydrate food makes it an essential tool for any kitchen, while the 4-quart capacity and high gloss finish in black gray make it a stylish addition to your countertop. Whether you're cooking for one or for a family, the Ninja AF101 Air Fryer is a must-have kitchen appliance that will make mealtime a breeze.
Number 4.
The 𝐓𝐇𝐀𝐍𝐶 Air Fryer is a compact, oilless, and versatile cooking appliance that has become increasingly popular in recent years. It is an excellent choice for anyone who wants to enjoy fried foods without the guilt and health risks associated with deep frying. With its 5 QT capacity, it is perfect for small families or anyone cooking for 1 to 4 people. One of the most significant benefits of the 𝐓𝐇𝐀𝐍𝐶 Air Fryer is that it cooks food quickly and evenly, unlike traditional deep frying, which can leave some parts of the food overcooked while others remain undercooked. Air frying uses a powerful fan to circulate hot air around the food, ensuring that it cooks evenly from all sides. This also means that you don't need to use as much oil, or any oil at all, to get crispy, golden brown results. This air fryer is also incredibly versatile, offering 9 different cooking functions in one appliance. Whether you want to fry, bake, grill, roast, or even dehydrate your food, the 𝐓𝐇𝐀𝐍𝐶 Air Fryer has you covered. You can cook everything from chicken wings to French fries to vegetables, and even cakes with this one handy appliance. One of the standout features of this air fryer is its easy-to-use digital display. The tempered glass display is clear and easy to read even from a distance, and the intuitive controls allow you to set the temperature and cooking time with just a few taps of your finger. The display also includes a handy preheat button, which heats up the air fryer to the desired temperature before you start cooking, saving you time and ensuring that your food cooks evenly. It's also incredibly easy to clean. The non-stick basket and crisper plate are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. This is especially important if you're someone who hates the hassle of scrubbing down oily pans and pots after cooking. One thing that sets the 𝐓𝐶𝐀𝐍𝐶 Air Fryer apart from other air fryers on the market is its quiet operation. The powerful fan that circulates hot air around your food can be noisy in some air fryers, but the 𝐓𝐶𝐀𝐍𝐶 Air Fryer is designed to be as quiet as possible. so you can cook without disturbing anyone in your household. Finally, the 𝐓𝐇𝐀𝐍𝐶 air fryer comes with 30 exclusive recipes that are specifically designed for air frying. These recipes include everything from classic fried foods to more healthy options like roasted vegetables and air-fried salmon. The recipes are easy to follow and use common ingredients, so you don't need to be a gourmet chef to create delicious, air-fried meals. In conclusion, the 𝐓𝐇𝐀𝐍𝐶 air fryer is an excellent investment for anyone who wants to enjoy fried foods without the health risks and guilt associated with deep frying. With its compact size, easy-to-use digital display, versatile cooking functions, and easy-to-clean design, it's the perfect appliance for small families or anyone cooking for 1 to 4 people. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned cook, the 𝐓𝐶𝐀𝐍𝐶 air fryer is sure to become your go-to cooking appliance for all your favorite foods.
Number 3.
The 𝐓𝐇𝐀𝐍𝐶 Crisp Electric Air Fryer Oven Cooker is a must-have appliance for anyone looking to cook healthier meals in a faster, more convenient way. This 1000-watt, 2.6-quart air fryer features a temperature control system, non-stick fry basket, recipe guide, and auto shut-off feature, making it easy to cook a wide variety of dishes with minimal effort and mess. One of the key features of the 𝐓𝐇𝐀𝐍𝐶 Crisp Electric Air Fryer Oven Cooker is its temperature control system, which allows you to set the cooking temperature to your desired level. This means that you can cook a wide variety of dishes, including chicken, fish, vegetables, and even desserts, with ease. The temperature control system also ensures that your food is cooked evenly, so you can be sure that every bite is perfectly cooked and delicious. Another great feature of the 𝐓𝐇𝐀𝐍𝐶 Crisp Electric Air Fryer Oven Cooker is its non-stick fry basket. This makes it easy to cook your favorite foods without worrying about them sticking to the basket, which can be a common problem with other air fryers. The non-stick surface also makes it easy to clean up after you're done cooking, saving you time and effort. The 𝐓𝐇𝐀𝐍𝐶 Crisp Electric Air Fryer Oven Cooker also comes with a recipe guide, which includes a variety of delicious and healthy recipes that you can try out. Whether you're looking to cook up some crispy chicken wings or a batch of sweet potato fries, the recipe guide has you covered. The guide also includes tips and tricks for using the air fryer, so you can get the most out of your appliance. One of the most convenient features of the 𝐓𝐇𝐀𝐍𝐶 Crisp Electric Air Fryer Oven Cooker is its auto shut-off feature. This ensures that the air fryer turns off automatically once your food is done cooking, preventing overcooking or burning. This not only saves you time, but also ensures that your food is cooked to perfection every time. In addition to its great features, the 𝐓𝐇𝐀𝐍𝐶 Crisp Electric Air Fryer Oven Cooker also has a stylish and modern design. The aqua color is eye-catching and will look great in any kitchen. The compact size of the appliance also makes it easy to store, so you can keep it on your countertop or tuck it away in a cabinet when you're not using it. Overall, the 𝐓𝐇𝐀𝐍𝐶 Crisp Electric Air Fryer Oven Cooker is a great investment for anyone looking to cook healthier meals in a more convenient way. With its temperature control system, non-stick fry basket, recipe guide, and auto shut-off feature, this appliance makes it easy to cook a wide variety of dishes with minimal effort and mess. Its stylish and modern design also makes it a great addition to any kitchen.
Number 2.
The 𝐕𝐈𝐒𝐈𝐓𝐈𝐍𝐆 Air Fryer Max Classic 4QT Special Edition is the perfect kitchen appliance for anyone who wants to enjoy delicious, healthy meals without the hassle of traditional cooking methods. With its advanced technology, this air fryer allows you to cook crisp, broil, roast, and bake your favorite foods with little to no oil, making it a great choice for anyone looking to reduce their fat intake. One of the most impressive features of the 𝐕𝐈𝐒𝐈𝐶 Air Fryer Max Classic 4QT is its extra hot air fry technology. This innovative cooking method circulates super hot air around your food, ensuring that it is cooked to perfection every time. Whether you're making crispy fried chicken, roasted vegetables, or baked potatoes, the 𝐕𝐈𝐒𝐈𝐶 Air Fryer Max Classic 4QT delivers exceptional results. The 𝐕𝐈𝐒𝐈𝐶 Air Fryer Max Classic 4QT is also incredibly versatile. It comes with 8 preset cooking programs, including fish, chicken, steak, shrimp, bacon, fries, vegetables, and desserts, making it easy to cook a wide variety of foods with just the touch of a button. Plus, with its spacious 4-quart capacity, this air fryer can easily cook meals for up to 4 people, making it a great choice for families or small gatherings. In addition to its impressive cooking capabilities, the 𝐕𝐈𝐒 Air Fryer Max Classic 4QT also boasts a sleek, high-gloss finish that looks great in any kitchen. Its black exterior is both stylish and easy to clean, making it a great choice for anyone who wants an appliance that looks as good as it performs. But perhaps the most significant benefit of the 𝐕𝐈𝐒 Air Fryer Max Classic 4QT is the fact that it allows you to cook healthier meals without sacrificing taste. By using little to no oil, this air fryer can help you reduce your fat intake, which is essential for anyone looking to improve their overall health and well-being. And because it cooks food so quickly, it also helps to retain more of the natural nutrients and flavors found in your favorite foods, ensuring that you get the most out of every bite. Overall, the 𝐕𝐈𝐒 Air Fryer Max Classic 4QT is an exceptional kitchen appliance that delivers exceptional results every time. Whether you're cooking for yourself or your family, this air fryer offers a convenient, healthy, and delicious way to prepare your favorite meals. So if you're looking for a reliable and versatile air fryer that can help you achieve your health and wellness goals, the 𝐕𝐈𝐒 Air Fryer Max Classic 4QT is definitely worth considering.
Number 1.
𝐓𝐇𝐀𝐍𝐶 USA is a company that produces innovative kitchen appliances to help make cooking easy and enjoyable. One of their most popular products is the 𝐓𝐇𝐀𝐍𝐶 USA 5.8-quart programmable 8-in-1 Air Fryer XL, which comes with a recipe book and is available in chili red. The air fryer is a versatile kitchen gadget that can cook various foods, from crispy chicken wings to roasted vegetables, using very little oil. This makes it a healthier alternative to deep frying, while still producing delicious and crispy results. The 𝐓𝐇𝐀𝐍𝐶 USA 5.8-quart programmable 8-in-1 Air Fryer XL is a large-capacity appliance that can easily accommodate family-sized meals. The 5.8-quart basket is non-stick and detachable, making it easy to clean. The air fryer also comes with a cool touch handle and a safety button that prevents the basket from accidentally detaching while in use. One of the standout features of the 𝐓𝐇𝐀𝐍𝐶 USA 5.8-quart programmable 8-in-1 Air Fryer XL is its programmable settings. The appliance comes with 8 preset cooking functions, including fries, chips, pork, chicken, steak, shrimp, cake, fish, and pizza. This makes it easy to select the appropriate cooking time and temperature for your favorite foods, ensuring perfect results every time. In addition to the preset cooking functions, the air fryer also has a manual mode that allows you to adjust the temperature and cooking time to suit your specific needs. The appliance has a temperature range of 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which gives you the flexibility to cook a wide variety of foods. The 𝐓𝐇𝐀𝐍𝐶 USA 5.8-quart programmable 8-in-1 Air Fryer XL also comes with a recipe book that includes over 50 delicious and healthy air fryer recipes. The recipes cover a range of cuisines and include appetizers, main dishes, sides, and desserts. Some of the standout recipes include crispy sweet potato fries, honey mustard chicken, and chocolate lava cake. The recipe book also includes tips and tricks for using the air fryer, as well as suggestions for how to modify recipes to suit your taste preferences. This makes it a great resource for anyone who is new to air frying or who wants to expand their recipe repertoire. Overall, the 𝐓𝐇𝐀𝐍𝐶 USA 5.8-quart programmable 8-in-1 Air Fryer XL is a great investment for anyone who wants to enjoy healthier versions of their favorite fried foods. The appliance is easy to use and versatile and comes with a recipe book that will inspire you to get creative in the kitchen. Whether you're cooking for one or feeding a crowd, the air fryer is sure to become a staple in your kitchen.